Daily trading recap for Wednesday, the 2nd of February, 2022. It is Wednesday. It is Wednesday. Yes. Going to be a very short and quick, succinct video today. No trades for me whatsoever, and really not paying a whole lot of attention to the market today. Still putting in work really on the front end for backtesting and data collection for this futures area that I'm stepping into on MES or even ES that I might get into as well. But pretty excited about that, and would have been a providential day today. Still experimenting and just kind of testing the waters still at this point, but excited to get going on that harder within the next few days and the next coming weeks here. This video is just going to be a very quick just reference video just to keep the chain going on these daily recaps. NASDAQ, $322 billion volume on the day as of, I don't even know how long after the close, and I just made it go away. 2 hours, 25 minutes after the close. NYSE, $356 billion volume on the day. OTC markets, $2.2 billion volume on the day. SPY little 0.97% day in the green, which is going to be the fourth green day in a row. Big, nice, juicy dip bounce from that hard little scare over the past few trading weeks now. Last weekend, a little bit of the week before. Regardless, I think a lot of people in the chat were playing Zila today. Not even really going to go hard into these tickers, but just mentioning them for reference if I'm looking back through this. Playing a very nice perk in the morning session, then fading off for the afternoon for a short trade, and actually closing 8% in the red. Interesting daily as well for how this run-up has been on this ticker. Another one, S4 that I saw today. Beautiful OTC first day play. Didn't close the strongest, but like to see the standalone volume candle today, see if it has any continuation on the second day. I've not seen that sentiment in the past few ones that I've just been keeping my eye on in the OTC land, but we'll see if S4 has any amount of gap up going into tomorrow or any push harder for volume. Gosh, needs some to just go crazy to start ramping up all the other ones in that OTC land. Flex is one I'm watching as well for this little pattern that I like to play. This overnight first green day short pattern. Not the most beautiful volume that I want to see. I do not like it that it's dojiing or just not trading at specific points, but like to see the inertia perk. It's a decent percentage move, but yeah, it's just not the most. I'm not going to trade it. I'm not even touching it paper short, but just keep my eye on it as a potential playbook trade that I have in the bank, and see if that would have ended up working out, so I can just live in that FOMO and just relish in it. So that is really all I want to mention. Not going hard on really anything and not very convicted on anything else for today. But like I said, going harder, looking forward to being able to experiment with the futures aspect of how I have messed around with the option side before and just gotten screwed around with the time decay. I think this futures aspect is going to be a lot more fun and a lot more strategic in how I can set up my more algorithmic approach. And of course, I'm going to keep it updated every single day here on the Daily Trading Recap. So I thank you guys for watching. We will catch you guys on the next one.